In the rapidly evolving world of aerial warfare, Britain has positioned itself at the cutting edge with its most ambitious fighter jet project to date, the Tempest. Designed as a sixth-generation aircraft, the Tempest represents years of meticulous planning, international cooperation, and innovative engineering. With the fusion of stealth technology, artificial intelligence, next-generation engines, and cutting-edge weaponry, this fighter jet promises to redefine the future of air combat. A global effort to build a next-generation jet, Britain's Tempest is not a solo endeavor. Partnering with experts from Italy, Sweden, and Japan, the UK is orchestrating an international collaboration that pools together the best minds and technologies from multiple nations. This cooperation not only reduces development costs, but also allows each country to contribute its unique expertise, creating a fighter jet that's as versatile as it is advanced. While the United States has traditionally led the field with aircraft like the F-22 Raptor and F-35 Lightning II, and with China's J-20 and Russia's Su-57 making their presence known, Britain's Tempest project aims to leapfrog current capabilities. The Tempest development is driven by the desire to ensure the Royal Air Force remains competitive in the decades ahead, capable of handling future threats with ease. A name with historic significance, the name Tempest carries a proud legacy in British aviation history. During World War II, the Hawker Tempest was a fearsome aircraft that played a critical role in countering Nazi forces, stepping in where the older Hawker Typhoon left off. Now, as Britain prepares to retire the modern Eurofighter Typhoon, the Tempest name is being revived to symbolize the nation's next leap in fighter technology. The post-Brexit push for sovereignty and defense. The Tempest project gained momentum shortly after Britain's decision to exit the European Union. With Brexit creating economic and industrial uncertainties, the UK sought to boost its domestic industries, generate high-tech employment, and ensure its defense sector remained strong and independent. In the 2015 Strategic Defense Review, the British government laid the groundwork for a new fighter development program, launching the Future Combat Air System Technology Initiative. This bold move aimed to not only replace the aging Eurofighter Typhoon, but also create an air platform that could evolve for decades. A modular and flexible design philosophy. At first glance, the Tempest may resemble other modern fighters with its sleek lines, delta wings, and twin outward canted tail fins. But beneath its stealthy exterior lies a revolutionary modular design. The Tempest features standardized attachment points and internal bays that allow engineers to easily swap out sensors, weapons, and systems as technology advances. This plug-and-play approach ensures that the aircraft remains cutting-edge throughout its service life, eliminating the need for costly and time-consuming overhauls. 3D printing and advanced manufacturing. BAE Systems, the lead contractor on the Tempest project, plans to build roughly 30% of the jet's structure using 3D printing techniques. By constructing components layer by layer from metal powders, engineers can create intricate parts that are impossible to produce using traditional manufacturing methods. This process not only accelerates production but also reduces material waste and allows for lighter, stronger, and more efficient designs. A stealth aircraft designed for survivability. Stealth has become a non-negotiable feature in modern air combat, and the Tempest is no exception. The aircraft's gently bulged rear fuselage conceals smooth, S-shaped air ducts that minimize heat emissions from its engines, reducing vulnerability to both radar and infrared tracking systems. All fuel and weapons are stored internally, preserving its clean, stealthy silhouette and significantly lowering its radar cross-section. While internal storage adds to the aircraft's weight, engineers have offset this by designing powerful engines capable of maintaining top performance without compromising speed or agility. Rolls-Royce's powerhouse. Developing the Tempest engine posed major challenges, which Rolls-Royce is tackling with engines that deliver high thrust-to-weight ratios, improved fuel efficiency, and the electrical power needed for advanced systems. A key innovation is the embedded starter generator, which integrates the generator into the engine core, reducing weight, complexity, and improving reliability. Testing began in 2014, with further developments adding energy storage and advanced thermal management. Once fully mature, Rolls-Royce aims to produce up to 1 megawatt of electrical power, 10 times that of the Eurofighter Typhoon, enabling the Tempest to support laser weapons, advanced radar, electronic warfare, and cooling systems within strict size and weight limits. Leonardo UK's smart electronics. While Rolls-Royce develops the Tempest propulsion, Leonardo UK leads its advanced avionics and electronics across 4 key areas: digital beamforming radar and electronic warfare systems for multi-target tracking and threat response, integrated sensing that fuses data from radar, infrared, electronic listening devices, and external sources for full situational awareness, an augmented reality cockpit that overlays flight paths, targeting data, and alerts directly into the pilot's view, and an AI co-pilot capable of making rapid decisions during combat or even taking control if the pilot becomes incapacitated. Armed for the future. Firepower is a crucial component of any fighter jet, and the Tempest will not disappoint. Although exact specifications remain classified, estimates suggest the aircraft could carry between 6 and 8 air-to-air missiles internally, keeping its stealth profile intact. One standout weapon under development is the Joint Advanced Missile, a collaboration between Japan and the UK. The Joint Advanced Missile combines Mitsubishi Electric's sophisticated active seeker technology with Metra BAE Dynamics, a linear Meteor ramjet engine, resulting in a long-range, agile missile capable of engaging targets at significant distances. The Tempest may also be equipped with next-generation cruise missiles designed to replace the Storm Shadow/Scalp series, allowing for precision strikes against heavily defended targets on land or at sea from hundreds of miles away. Loyal Wingman drones. One of the most innovative aspects of the Tempest program is its planned integration with unmanned Loyal Wingman drones. These companion aircraft will fly alongside the Tempest, conducting reconnaissance, jamming enemy defenses, launching their own missiles, or even sacrificing themselves to protect the manned fighter. By incorporating these expendable drones into the force structure, the RAF can take greater tactical risks while preserving pilot safety. The concept not only extends the Tempest's reach, but also significantly enhances its battlefield versatility. An expanding consortium of global partners. To manage the scale of the Tempest program, the UK expanded the Tempest consortium by adding 7 global defense companies at the 2020 Farnborough Virtual Air Show. General Electric United Kingdom, Guest, Keane and Nettlefolds, Collins Aerospace, Martin Baker, Kinetic, Spirit Aerosystems, and Thales UK. Each partner brings specialized expertise in engines, airframes, sensors, weapons, and advanced manufacturing, allowing the consortium to combine resources and balance cost efficiency with cutting-edge capabilities. Japan joins the effort. In 2020, Japan officially joined the Tempest program, contributing valuable knowledge in engine testing and radar technology. Japan's Jaguar testbed will simulate extreme conditions to validate engine and radar systems before they are integrated into the final aircraft. This international partnership ensures that the Tempest remains a global leader in 6th-generation fighter technology. The road to 2035. The UK expects to invest approximately $8.3 billion into the Tempest program, a fraction of the estimated $29.5 billion the United States is spending on its B-21 Raider stealth bomber. Despite the hefty cost, British defense officials emphasize efficiency and rapid development as core goals. In July 2022, it was announced that the first Tempest prototype should be airborne by 2027. Thousands of engineers and technicians at BAE Systems in Preston, England, are already hard at work building and testing key components. Early flight trials will provide critical data on aerodynamics, stealth coatings, engine performance, and avionics, setting the stage for full-scale production. If all goes according to plan, the Tempest should enter full RAF service by 2035. This timeline allows ample time to train pilots, refine tactics, and build the necessary support infrastructure for this revolutionary platform. And there you have it, the incredible Tempest fighter jet that's set to take air combat to a whole new level. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of aerial warfare, make sure to smash that like and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next one.